Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends and welcome to Mark ERP tutorial, in which today we will learn how to do purchase return transaction. Basically, this is a voucher type which is raised for the party or customer. For example, goods of rupees 15,000 have been returned to RF Medicos on 7th May 2019. So, now let's see how we can create the voucher by following this example in the software. For which, you will go to Accounts menu, then to Voucher Entry, then go to Debit Note and then click on Debit Note field from here. So, a voucher entry window will open. Mention the transaction date here on which we have returned the goods. That is 7th May 2019. Then this ledger window will open. Select that party from here to whom the goods are returned. That is RF Medicos. Press enter on it. Then here in debit side, mention the amount. So as per the example, goods are returned of 15,000. So feed 15,000 here and press enter. Then this adjustment window will open. If you want to adjust any bill, then select adjustment reference from this drop down and press spacebar key on that bill to which you want to adjust against this voucher and press enter. Otherwise, you can also skip this bill adjustment window by pressing escape key. Then enter here on credit side. So ledger window will open again. Here we will select the ledger of purchase return and press enter on it. Again press enter. So your cursor will switch to the narration field where you will feed the narration as per the requirement to maintain the record. Like goods returned to RF Medicos worth rupees 15,000 or whatever you want to give, and you can also skip it by simply pressing the enter key. So for now, we will feed the narration and press enter. Again press enter key. Then in this details window, you will fill the details as per the requirement, or you can also skip this window by pressing escape key. So this window will open. If you want to take out the print of the voucher, then click on print button. Otherwise, click on save button to save the voucher. So friends, by following these steps shown in this video, you can create purchase return transaction in Mark ERP software. Thanks for watching.